How to make daily to-do list in Notion 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Notion and how you're going to be creating a daily checklist or to-do list for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is, first of all, go to the link down in the description below because that is going to allow you to go ahead and get a proper discounted plan and price. Now, once you've done that, what we're going to do in our Notion is we're going to add a page for ourselves. And let's say over here, I'm going to go ahead and write daily list. Okay. Now, once we've written that in, what you're going to do from here is, first of all, you're going to go ahead and start adding your to do lists. Okay. So here we have our to do list. Let's go with wash car. Okay. I'm going to add that as my daily task. Then we can go with walk dog, and then finally groceries. Okay, we're gonna add in something like that. Now, once you have done that, you can see that we have created a proper table or a type for ourselves over here. Okay, so to give it a proper call out, what you're gonna do is, let's say I'm gonna come over here. Okay, and we're simply going to go ahead and add it as a call out. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and name this Monday. All right. So once you've done that, what happens from here is you're simply going to go ahead, copy all these things. And what you're going to do from here is you're going to drag it to this call out over here. And as you can see, now we have our Monday to-do list. And just like this, you can create multiple day to-do lists. And that is how you can create a daily checklist for yourself in Notion in 2025. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end. And I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.